This is my example of an inexpensive bead breaker. All I did was take a nut from a threaded rod, 5/8. I cut the end of the C-clamp off, the little rod that went through, screwed this on a little bit, and welded it on. Makes for a great bead breaker. And you can use it with a drill or a small impact to crank it down. Works really good. This tire that I'm using as an example to break the bead is a dry rotted hard tire that's been on the rim for a long time. Usually these are the most difficult to break beads on. So I'm going to use this as an example and you can see how it works. Alright, so now we're set up here. First things first, remove the air. I use it with a drill, a mini impact. You could do it by hand if you want. It's a little faster if you do it this way. Anyway, put it on the tire. Most of you that have been using the C-clamps probably know already how to set it up. Just put it on, make sure it's not touching the rim, and crank it down. That's it. She's popped. Now you can just free it up all the way around. You're good to go, or you can take it off and set it up again. That's it. It's off. The other side is still locked in. So flip it over, see it's locked in. Now what I use to put on the other side is a sanding block, but for this reason we're trying to show you can do it cheap, so I'm going to do it with a block of wood. Put the block of wood on the other side. That block of wood is just so that you don't wreck the rim. And you crank it down. That's it. It's popped. Go around with the tool again. Just pop it all off. That's it. She's popped. And the best part is you could leave this, you take it off, crimp the tire, and when you're popping it off, it'll keep it in between the rim so that it doesn't get caught up on the bead when you pop it off. And also keep in mind, this here is a hard, rotted tire that's been on this rim for a long time, and it popped off fairly easy. If you have newer bikes or newer tires, it's simple. Usually they both pop at the same time, and you won't have to do this with the wood. But the wood, again, is just to protect the other side of the rim so that you don't wreck it. So that's it. Easy. Under $12.